The day has finally come for this little Civic I could get in tune, hopefully, if it doesn't give us any problems. Knowing my luck.
We've already changed the wastegate spring.
Before we even got on the dyno.
Put a small one in.
Yeah.
I guess it's better to start small and go.
Feeling too much juice.
Because there's no boost control, right? Just gate.
Just gate, yeah. These Hondadas are really hard to control. They're annoying. So, we're at Nick's new shop. It looks like a Porsche Honda shop because he does cool shit like this.
Yeah, look at that.
Porsche transmission adapter. K24. Give the treatment to a 911 and a Cayman. Cool. Way cooler stuff than what we do.
So strap down the car, see what it does.
Hopefully it's a smooth day. We can all go home early.
My guess is 380 wheel.
I'm gonna say 411.
That's optimistic.
That is.
I say 374.
I'm gonna go low and say 361.
A lot louder.
Okay, so the car's pretty much fully done. Nick revved it up to 7,800. I made 364, 280 foot-pounds of torque. The car's done. We finished way ahead of schedule, so now we got some time to kind of mess around. So we put a boost tee in line with the wastegate to make a little bit more power because we want to be a little closer to the 380 mark, 400 maybe. So Nick's gonna see how much boost it makes now. We kind of cobbled something together. We'll see how much she makes. As we said, put a little boost tee in it, so it made another 10 wheels, so it made 374. Yeah, see how the lights turned off. And that's it. Tune went smooth. Nothing really to complain about. Everything went, right? Let's roll into third gear. We're in Mexico. Oh, we hit traction control. What? There we go.
That's dope.
That was traction control.
It sounds just like your 240. What? Oh my god.
Ready? We'll do a Honda asphalt. Let's see if it does second gear. fun. Fuck, dude.
I don't want to drive this right now, bro.
No way, there's a bus passing by right then.
Wow.
Dude, this is fucking wild.
This thing's fun. Yo, it does second gear mint.
The bushings,
The
probably.
bushings and the tune, everything. Alright, that's it. We're done.
Yeah, we'll put
We're
it back
done.
on the trailer, bro. I don't want
We're
to
done.
Dude, it sounds just like your 240.
Dude, you don't need 4 horsepower in this thing. It lights up every gear. I'm pedaling. I'm going. Then when I get on it, I'm not even holding it down because I don't want it to hit limiter too much. I'm like letting off.
Holy shit. Bro, that's fucking insane.
Look, then it drives nice. Like.
Oh my god. That's stupid. Yeah, fuck 400, bro.
Fuck 400.
That's how I'm feeling. Should I just launch it? Turn my launch control out?
Just gonna spin.
You think so?
You have to let the clutch out very slowly.
Oh, fuck that, then. Holy fuck.
Weapon at him. Oh my god.
Even give me Holy shit. Bro, this is crazy.
Got a big ass truck coming by. Well, the little Civic that could did. Exactly. There. This thing is. That's my first Turbo Civic experience, which is funny because I have a K series in my car. That is just like mindless fun. Because my car, you gotta be on edge because it'll want to spin you out. This thing, it's point shoot camera. Hit the gas going straight, buddy. She goes. Spins the tires all the way. Got winter tires on this thing. But dude, I see why people love these things. This is fun. That
Sounds
is
awesome.
fun. Oh my god, it sounds like a weapon. I think Evan and Callum got some outside clips.
Yeah.
Whee.
It sounds wild.
Dude.
I didn't go in it, but it sounds
It's
wild.
crazy.
It looks nuts.
Well, that wraps up now part 3 of the Civic.
Civic is done.
She's all done now. And just gotta put the bumper on. We don't film that, it's boring shit. You wanna see us ripping it, banging gears.
Exactly.
So, this concludes that.
What do we
Chabella?
build next?
Yeah, what's getting built next?
My
Who
car.
knows? What's up in the air? Alex has his car, we got a bunch of cars.
The Avalanche.
I have a car that I haven't even told the camera.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
We'll do that next.
Yeah, Spencer's mystery car still.
Yeah.
I got a mystery car.
Yeah.
That we'll be
It's on
putting
the fence
channel
though.
soon.
Haven't decided yet, have you? What are you gonna do?
Well, we'll make a video about it, but yeah.
Alright.
Well, you'll see. You'll see. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. That's it. See you next time.